Morning, everybody. I use Gimp a lot for manipulating images, altering images, things like that. I thought I would do a tutorial to explain the basic functions of Gimp to everybody, explain to everybody how to use it. Gimp is a free software editing tool. It's kind of like a a free version of Photoshop. The main difference though is that with GIMP you can only save your document as an XCF extension, and the way to get it to a JPEG or a PNG or something like that is you would then use Photopea. So firstly, you would obviously go to the website, you have to download GIMP, okay, and then once you have downloaded GIMP, um, it will look like this. Okay, so for our tutorial I'm going to show you just basically how to alter all the images, how to adjust everything and things like that. Okay, so for our tutorial I plan to do a little medieval scene with a castle, some knights, things like that. So or you can think of this as your own photo which you've maybe uploaded into GIMP. Maybe you want to alter it, maybe you want to change the colors, maybe you want to do something like that. Okay, so for the purpose of our tutorial, what I've basically done is I've just Googled, okay, um, I have found a nice background, I found some nice things to add to our picture, and I'm going to show you how to use this tool to either adjust your pictures or to obviously create your own images. Okay, so we are first starting off basically with a plain background, okay, and we want to add some things in this. So for the first tutorial, which is going to be this video, I'm basically going to show you how to change your colors. Okay, maybe you want to alter your colors in your picture. Okay, so for that, oh, that one's a little bit small. Okay, so for that one, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so let's say we want to change this to a different shade of red. There are a few ways you can do it. Okay, so firstly, you can go to the color tool. You can choose red, and you can find a different shade of red. Okay, now if you want to put that into the picture, you can do one of two things. You can use the little pencil and you can color it in, or much easier tool is you can use this tool, the bucket tool, and it can just go into the various spots that you want it. So that is the bucket tool. It will put the whole area in, or the pencil, you can just do small bits. Okay, but now let's say you want to use different types of red. So you can just go on there, you just hold down and you can shift. Let's say maybe that one. I want to use the bucket tool, and I want those two to be like that. Okay, there's something else you can actually do. There is another way to change or alter the colors. If you go to Google, okay, you can get red hex colors. Okay, so this is what I kind of do. Okay, what hex means is, okay, let's go out of here, let's go here. You will see there is a hex code there for each color. Each color has a hex code. Okay, so you can choose the color that you want, or what I like to do is I find a red palette, or the palette that I want. I look for a color that I want. Okay, let's say I want maroon 800000. Okay, so you can go 800000. Okay, and you do that, and then that will automatically be the maroon. Okay, it'll be the different color. Okay, right. Okay, so I think I did it wrong. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Okay, so now we got the maroon. and now you can put the maroon there. The other way of doing this is a color pick tool. Okay, so let me show you. Let's say I've got another photograph. I'm just going to save this for the purpose of our class. Okay, red color JPEGs, just going to save that. Okay, it didn't open it up. Sometimes it opens up. So if we go here, okay, so I can also open this into Gimp. Okay, so what that enables me to do is I can obviously get the code D21 F3C D21 FC3. Okay, D21 F D21. Oh, this is the wrong color. Sorry. F3C. Okay, that's the raspberry color. You'll see it's changed. Then we can go and do our raspberry color. Okay, the other thing we can do is, if we have a color that we really like, let's say the scarlet, I can use this one. This is the color pick tool. Let me show you the color pick tool. You can go and click on that. You'll see it automatically changes. Then we can go back to our picture, choose the bucket tool, and now we can do that. Let's say I like burgundy. I use the color pick tool. I'll go to burgundy, go back there. Okay, burgundy. Okay, if I want to now make this whole thing burgundy, I can go back to the pencil. I can just erase it, and there we go, burgundy. And then you can obviously save this. Okay, and that is how you use your colors in Gimp, the basic tool for the color setup tool. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to make an entire series on how to do basically how to use all the functions. So for the first video, it's just basically the color pick tool. So this is where I'm going to stop this video, and if you want to carry on seeing how we can put this onto our image, how we can build it up into a nice fantasy scene, please consider liking and subscribing. I would greatly appreciate that. I'm trying to grow my channel, and please watch video 2. Thank you for watching. Goodbye everybody. Have a lovely day.